So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Apple Watch is just randomly restarting. So maybe it's just randomly going through and just shutting down at like completely random times. Now, this can happen for a lot of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing you're going to want to do is just double check your battery health of your Apple Watch. So sometimes your Apple Watch can have some random issue going inside of it, and that can kind of sometimes be the issue. So double check your battery health, go inside of your Apple Watch settings. So go find that settings portion of your Apple Watch. And then when you're in settings, you want to scroll down and see if you can find a little battery option. Sometimes you should be able to see a battery option right here, tap on it. And then what you're going to want to do is just see if you can see your battery health. If you can see this little battery health option, if your battery health is very low, like even if it's even lower than mine at 76%, that is probably going to be the main issue you're running into here. So in that case, you might have to go and send your Apple Watch in for repair and basically have Apple kind of go through and fix these issues because that's probably going to be the main way that they're going to fix this problem. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be fixing the problem, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to go through and see if you can software update your Apple Watch. That can be also another really easy thing to do too. Try seeing if there's an update available, because if there is, well, that can also probably fix this problem as well. You may also want to go and just double check to see if you have any like cases that kind of click on this battery, the power button on the side. Sometimes that can also kind of be the problem as well, and that can also cause some issues there too. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.